Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Moksha Rathod and I talk all about skincare. This video is especially for those people who have hyperpigmentation, that is dark spots on their face, and also for those people who have dull skin, and even after using a lot of different products, a lot of different face washes, you do not find something which will help to give you that glowing skin, then this video will definitely help you. So I'll be telling you the best face washes / cleansers for people who have hyperpigmentation and dull skin, and which are also very affordable. So yes, for that, keep on watching. Alright, now you need to choose cleansers which will help to treat that uneven skin tone on your face. That is, some people might have lighter skin tone on one part of their face and a darker skin tone on the other part of your face. Then these cleansers will be really helpful for you. Now coming on to the cleanser recommendations, the first one I want to mention is Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. Now this one has salicylic acid in it, which will help to exfoliate your skin and will remove those uneven dark patches from your skin and will also help in hyperpigmentation or dark spots on your face. It will effectively help to clean out the dirt and excess sebum from your pores without making your skin very dry or squeaky clean. This cleanser foams up, so I would recommend this to people who have oily to combination skin types. And this one is for rupees 130 for 50 ml, so this is a very affordable option. Coming on to the second one, which is AHA Glow Face Wash. Now people also call it AHA Glow, but it actually is AHA Glow. This is one of my personal favorite face wash. This has 1% glycolic acid in it, which is a star ingredient to remove the hyperpigmentation and dull patches from your skin. It adds glow to your face as soon as you use it, and you will see results from day one. And if you use this consistently every single day, you will see results within 1 month. Also, if you have few bumps here and there, this will help to even it out and will help to give that smooth texture to your skin. This face wash is for rupees 250 for 50 gram, and this will last you for almost like 3 to 4 months easily. And this can be used by everyone, whether you have oily, combination, normal or dry skin types. Coming on to my third recommendation, which is the Tone and Glow Face Wash. Now this is very similar to the one I mentioned previously, which is the AHA Glow Face Wash. They both have exactly same ingredients, but the only difference is that the AHA Glow one has 1% glycolic acid and Tone and Glow has 1.5% glycolic acid. Also, this is for rupees 170 for 50 grams, so this is slightly affordable than the AHA Glow one. AHA Glow and Tone and Glow do not foam up, so दोनों भी झाग नहीं देते हैं. You just need to take like a tiny amount of it and that will be enough for your whole face. These both face washes have milli capsules in it, which will burst as soon as you use it on your face. I will just quickly show you how this looks. This one is the AHA Glow face wash. Here you can obviously see the tiny milli capsule in it. When you just keep on rubbing it, it will automatically burst on your face. Also, as I mentioned earlier, it does not foam up, so it's great for people who have oily, combination, normal or dry skin types. It can also be used by people who have very sensitive skin types, so this is a great face wash to use. Okay, coming on to my next recommendation, which is the Kaya Purifying Cleanser. Now this one has salicylic acid in it, so it will help to exfoliate your skin. This one is very mild and won't dry out your skin a lot, so it's great for people who have oily, combination to normal skin type. You just need like a very tiny amount of this for your whole face, and this is for rupees 135 for 50 ml. So it's great for people who are looking for affordable options. Coming on to my next recommendation, which is the Dermatecture Lactic Acid Cleanser. Now obviously, as the name suggests, this one has lactic acid in it. Lactic acid is actually a milder version of the glycolic acid. So people who have very sensitive skin type, or if you don't want to use glycolic acid, then you can go for this cleanser. It will help to reduce the uneven skin tone on your face if you have like two colors on your face, and it will also help to brighten out your skin. So this is a very good cleanser and one of my favorites as well. This can be used by anyone that is oily, combination, normal or dry skin types. It can also be used by sensitive skin types, so you should definitely go for this one. And this is for rupees 350 for 100 ml, so it's very affordable and will easily last you for like 3 to 4 months. Also, you can get a 10% discount on this if you use my code, so you can definitely check that out in the description box below. So these were all the cleanser recommendations I had for you all. The one thing you need to make sure is that please use this cleanser consistently and for at least 1 month to see visible results. Because any face wash or cleanser you use will stay on your skin for like less than 1 minute, and that is not enough to show results. And I would highly recommend you to use this consistently and for 1 month before jumping on to another cleanser. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post skincare and hair care tips. And you can watch these two videos right here. I will meet you again next time. Bye.